How to track time in ClickUp. So first, go to your ClickUp homepage. Next is just select the project where your task is. So let's say I'm going to do task 1, so just click on task 1, and let's say you want to track the time or for how long you're going to do the task. So just click on track time here, then just click on this play button here, and now you can track how long you're doing the task. So for example, let's close this and you're doing the task. So let's say you're done doing the task, just click on task again. Then as you can see, now it's still running. So if you want to stop it, so just click on stop timer, and then it'll show here. You track time for 1 minute. So after that, you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.